Hello, sir. May I get in?
Sure, please come in. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Great. This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System taking place on Friday, 25th of October at Cambridgeshire. The center number is BD 132133. The candidate is JANNATUL FERDOUS and the candidate number is 079129. The examiner is SHAFIQ and the examiner number is 433816. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name's SHAFIQ. Should you please tell me your full name?
My name's JANNATUL FERDOUS.
And how would you like me to address you?
I prefer to go by Jannat.
Alright, Jannat, could I see your identification, please?
Yes, sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. In the first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. So let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
I do study. I'm currently a first year honors student studying English at Ideal College. I'm dedicated to my study and excited to explore the depth of English literature and language.
Do you like your subject?
Yes, I enjoy studying English because it helps me to learn about their cultures and how to communicate with people.
Great. Let's talk about wild animals.
Okay, sure.
Alright, so what's your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is the majestic tiger. I'm fascinated by its strength and beauty.
When did you last see a wild animal?
I had the opportunity to see a wild animal during recent nature hike. I spotted a deer roaming gracefully its own natural habitat.
Do you like visiting zoos?
Yes, I enjoy visiting zoos. It provides an opportunity to observe and learn about wild animals from around the world.
Does your country have a lot of wild animals?
Yes, my country is blessed with diverse wildlife. We have various species of birds, mammals, and reptiles that inhabit our forests, mountains, and national parks.
Let's move on to talk about writing.
Okay.
Do you like writing by hand?
Yes, I do like writing by hand. It allows me to engage with the text on a more personal level and gives a sense of connection with my thoughts.
How often do you write with a pen?
I write with the pen quite frequently, whether it's making notes, jotting down ideas, or expressing my creativity. Using pen is a regular part of my daily routine.
Do you prefer to handwrite or type?
While I appreciate the convenience of typing, but I prefer handwriting. It allows me to think more deeply and express my creativity and thoughts in a more deliberate and personal manner.
Is your handwriting easy to read?
Yes, my handwriting is generally easy to read. I make an effort to write legibly and ensure that my words are clear and understandable to others.
Great. Alright, now let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. And in this part of the speaking test, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to plan what you're going to say and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here's your paper, pencil, and this is your topic. So I'd like you to describe a time when your entire family was together. Alright, so you can start making notes. All right, Jannat, your time's up. And now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. So don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when time's up.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So could you please start speaking now?
Well, I remember a special occasion when my entire family was gathered together. It was during last summer vacation in the month of July. We all decided to have a family reunion at my grandparents' house, which is located in a charming countryside area. And there was a lovely old-fashioned cottage surrounded by green lush fields and colorful flowers. When the day arrived, we traveled from various places to my grandparents' house. The atmosphere was filled with joy and excitement as we greeted each other with warm hugs and smiles. The reason behind this occasion is to celebrate my grandfather's 80th birthday. It was a significant milestone in his life, and we wanted to make it more memorable by having everyone present. And since most of us live in a different cities and have busy schedule, so it is rare opportunity to bring everyone present. During the day, we engaged with various activities and games. We played basketball and had a friendly competition. Some family member prepared homemade dishes for us, and we enjoyed with a hearty lunch together. After spending the entire day with my family, I felt incredibly happy and content. I realized that how much important the family bond and how they bring happiness and immense joy in our lives.
All right, your time's up. Now, you've been telling me about a time when your entire family was together. Now, in the final 5 minutes of this test, I'd like to ask you some more general questions that are related to this. Let's discuss the importance of family get-together.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is it common for families to gather together on special occasions in your culture?
Yes, it is quite common for families to come together on a special occasion. These occasions include weddings, festivals, birthdays, and religious celebrations.
What are the benefits of having the entire family together?
Having the entire family together offers a stronger bond and sense of unity. It gives an opportunity to share experience, create lasting memories, and strengthen relationships. It also fosters a supportive and loving environment.
Can you give examples of other occasions when families might gather together?
Apart from weddings, family often gather together festivals like Christmas, New Year's, and Thanksgiving. They also gather in a milestone occasions like anniversaries, graduations, and Thanksgiving.
What are some activities that families typically engage in when they gather together?
Families engage in various activities when they gather together. These include like sharing meals, playing games, and watching movies, or going for outing or vacations together, or spending quality time with talking and catching up with each other.
How does it feel for you personally when your entire family is together?
When my entire family is together, I feel deep sense of happiness and contentment. It's a special feeling to be surrounded with loved ones. I realize that the support and love in my life.
All right, Jannat, that's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you, sir.